They got some armadillos. Hey, let's get a nice close up with the armadillo. Yay!
Warning, this is security.
Okay.
Your presence has been detected. The owner and police have been informed.
Good for them. I'm outside the fence, mate. Oh, we can set it off from outside. Lovely. Well, anyway, we are at the North Devon Leisure Centre to fly the drone around, and I just love the fact we got to set off the armadillo, so I don't have to feel guilty now about uploading my Leisure Centre series. Lovely. Well, let's get round the other side and get me good old drone up in the air. Toy bot sticker's still there. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to day 9 of the Leisure Centre video. So then, like the rest of the series, I will be flying my drone around the Leisure Centre, catching the demolition process of the Leisure Centre. Now, as you can see, they've got the yellow digger and the turquoise digger still down there. I think one's a plant force digger and the other one's a... I forgot the brand. Komatsu. The scrap metal pile has been going down, so I'm assuming that's been sent off to the scrap heap. A couple of crates still here, but the majority of the crates are gone now. Still wondering what's in those crates, not 100% sure on that one. Let's have a look at the skip. It looks predominantly like plasterboard in this skip. Now, plasterboard is usually sent off to be returned into plasterboard. It's one of the only materials that gets recycled back into what it originally was, plasterboard. Right, I think it's time to go and have a look at the interesting stuff, the actual building itself. As you can see, the long arm digger is still not here for whatever reason. We'll have a look at the other skip, and that's also filled with plasterboard. A nice close up of the floor there, of parts of the demolished Leisure Centre. Yeah, more plasterboard. There has been a little bit of wood getting there, but that's quite common with building sites. But no, that's definitely plasterboard. Now then, all of this looks roughly the same from the last time I was here, but we'll have another look because it does look pretty cool. Just below me used to be the dojo. In here used to be the gym, and around the back of there you can see the windows to the swimming pool. That door there is the entrance to the balcony of the swimming pool. And all this used to be the gym. This is the changing rooms and part of the foyer to the swimming pool and the rest of the Leisure Centre. Down here is part of the old cafe. At the bottom you've got the bowling green, which ain't much of a bowling green now, and the sports hall. thick that beam is. Time to go inside. Mind you, they have cleaned it up since our last been here. I'll give them that. Well, the cupboard's still there. All the crash into that hanging thing. Yeah, going in. Gotta be careful though, because I don't know what happens when the GPS signal drops on my drone. And time to go out. Get some nice long shots of it now. It was a very cold day when I filmed this. As you can see, the frost is on the roof of the leisure centre, and all the grass and the foliage is covered in frost as well. Not a lot has changed on this side. Quite a clear, beautiful day today, I'll give it that. And as it's such a clear, beautiful day, I'll give you a nice high shot of the whole of the estuary and the town, and we'll have a little 12 for the town as well, as we live in such a beautiful location. There's Newport Road in the middle of the screen there. Tesco, and now it's time for day 10. Now on this day I couldn't really fly my drone because it was a bit too windy. It wasn't that windy on the ground, but when I got my drone in the air, I couldn't actually fly it in a straight line, as you will see in a minute. I'm trying to fly towards the leisure centre, but as you can see, my drone's being pushed towards the river because of the wind. As you can see, the long-armed digger is back, so process is now being done. It looks like the same long-armed digger from earlier on, so I'm struggling to understand why they got rid of it. Maybe it had to go for repairs, maybe it was needed on another job, I don't know, but either way it just did a disappearing act for a couple of weeks. But now we get to see the process of the leisure centre. They've actually got the sports hall down pretty quickly, I will admit. A nice shot of the long-armed machine. It's a nice bit of kit, that. I'll give it that. That's a lovely bit of kit. Let's have a look in the skips. I like a bit of skip diving. We've got scrap metal and general waste, so that's part of the roof and stuff. There you go, that's part of the roof and bits of wood and just what I would class as general waste. The other one is metal, like cladding and whatever. Have a look what's left of the building. Obviously this wall looks the same as any other time. You've still got the cupboard there from the sports hall. Here's the side of the changing rooms for the swimming pool. Bits of the foyer and calf, bowling green. Not much of it left. Sports hall, once again, not much of it left. Nice huge big pile of rubbish in there this time. Unfortunately I can't get right in and everything else, but I'll fly the drone up to it. Because of the wind I can't get in close, so I'm at risk of my drone being blown into something which I don't really want. It's an expensive bit of kit, blah blah blah. So what I get is what I get out of this one, because the winds are a bit strong in this on this day, so it's quite tricky for me to fly the drone. So yeah. As you can see, there's a big pile of rubbish right in the sports hall from the building being knocked down, and yeah, I think the footage speaks for itself. Day 11. Ho, ho, ho. Now they're getting onto the swimming pool. This is what everyone's been waiting for. But I'm going to delay the swimming pool with a nice little check of the skips first. I think we've got wood in that one and a little bit of general waste that somehow got in there. But I think that's supposed to be a wood skip, as it is predominantly wood. That one's scrap metal. Or is it the lagging off of the pipes? That would make it general waste. That is a good point. There's the buckets for the digger and the grabs. The Komatsu. I do like the way they've left the fire exit there. When I put the panoramic shot up on Facebook. Someone said that was dangerous because it could fall on someone. I would be a bit more concerned about somebody walking up it and then falling off of it, rather than somebody that falling on somebody. But hey ho. You can just about see the roof of the entrance there, and you can see where they've been ripping away at the floors, cast concrete floors. There's the long arm again with its pincer. Well, this is the bit we've all been waiting for. Here's the swimming pool. In the corner there you can see the jacuzzi still in there. In the corner they had a steam room and a sauna. This is the 1 meter pool. It used to be quite cold in there, or coldish water. You can see the divider, and then on the end there was the children's pool. That one used to be warm. I was told that the floor was supposed to move up and down in the children's pool for the kids, but it never worked since day one. One of the other things I was interested in was this ceiling in the swimming pool. The reason why I was so interested in it was because I remember when I used to go in the leisure centre, the highest diving board used to be quite high to the ceiling, which would sort of make it unusable. I was wondering if the ceiling was lowered in the years of the leisure centre being opened, and well, according to this footage, that does look all original. But let's now have a look at the pool itself. The remainder of the changing rooms. You can just about see the 4 meter pool in the background there. There's the swimming pool as it slopes down. Nice. There's the children's pool again. I'm going to have to get some better shots of the children's pool later on. That has interested me. The signal was dropping pretty quickly when I went inside, so I decided to come out, and I don't know what happens if my signal drops, but there we go. I think we've had enough in there for a minute. So anyway, I think the end of the footage is quite close. We've got about 2 minutes left of my drone footage. Unfortunately, we're going to have to wait about 3 weeks, maybe a month, for the next leisure centre video to come out, because it's Christmas break for the builders now. So obviously there's going to be no progression on the leisure centre, so therefore I can't film it every day, and bloody blah. So you're gonna have to wait for 3 weeks for the next video. So yeah, so there'll be other content going up on my channel, but unfortunately you're gonna have to wait for 3 weeks for the leisure centre series to continue. So I hope you all enjoyed the leisure centre series. Please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out, people, and enjoy.